Hi friends, welcome back to Mix Match Watch. You're watching a video on Spigen tempered glass compatible for iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro with the installation kit provided. With a little analysis and research, Spigen is one of the top brands and the most recommended in Amazon, so we thought we'll give a try. For a tempered glass, we normally used to go for a local shop or buy a tempered glass online and go for a local shop for installation because the installation had to be perfect with alignment and also bubble free. So we came across this product online with the installation kit provided. So let's see what this product actually is, what it contains, and how the installation has to be done. Coming to the price, it is 1299 on Amazon. Spigen Glass EaseFit comes with a pack of 2 tempered glasses with separate installation tray for each. See the contents of this pack. So this is the installation tray which contains the tempered glass. It has a air bubble remover. The instruction sheet explaining the instructions in detail. So this is a lens and screen cleaning wet wipe for dust removal. It also has dust removal stickers. It has a microfiber cloth for dust removing. In order to make sure that there is no dust or fingerprints and the screen is oil free. Mention a few features about this tempered glass. It comes with 9H hardness, compatible for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. It comes with oleophobic coating for fingerprint resistance and scratches. It also gives you a quick touch response and crystal clarity view. So let's see how to make use each of them to install the tempered glass with a perfect fit. Make sure the place where you're installing this is dust free. Make sure the screen doesn't contain any stickers. Use the microfiber cloth provided initially to clean the screen. Use this wet wipe to clean the screen further for any stains, oil, fingerprints. Use this after opening immediately because the solution in cleaning tissue may evaporate quickly. Now use the dust removal sticker to remove the dust particles if you find any on the screen. Finally, if the screen is absolutely free from all stains, dust and fingerprints, use the installation tray, remove the film and place the installation tray on the phone. Make sure it is aligned properly. As you can see, you have to press and slide and leave it for 30 seconds. The next step would be to remove the sticker. Firmly hold the installation tray in one hand and remove the sticker using the other hand. Remove the installation tray now. So we can see a air bubble there. So using the air bubble remover, remove the bubbles. So After removing all the bubbles, remove the protective film on the tempered glass, and it is finally done now. You can see the edges, there's a little gap so that it is compatible with the back cover. So the tempered glass has a perfect fit on this phone. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you.